Hello and welcome to another video analysis session by Five Circles Private Limited. Today we are gonna speak about a multi-bagger stock that can be a multi-bagger stock in coming time. Uh, uh, Om Prakash sir will explain about that particular stock. He will analyze the stock, and this stock is working in a niche field of. Let me explain you. Business of manufacturing sales of glass lined equipment and filters, dryer equipments for various industries in the country. And the price we are looking at is very lucrative to us. And there is another news in this particular stock. That was the reason why we are analyzing it. The DSP mutual funds microcap fund bought 24 lakhs share of this particular stock, and after that we saw a surge. This happened three days back. So to check our multi-bagger stock, let us go to Om Prakash sir. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, Sharadji. So, Sharadji, we are looking for a multi-bagger?
Yes, sir. Everybody is looking for a multi-bagger actually.
Okay, then here is the one. So
Yes,
let's
sir.
go to the charts. Can you see the chart clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Sharadji. So let us see what's happening on the chart.
Sir, please mention the name of the stock.
Yes.
We kept the secret.
Okay. Okay. So, viewers, the name of the stock is HLE Glass Coat Limited. I will once again tell you the name, HLE Glass Coat Limited. We will analyze this stock on daily time frame. We will analyze it firstly on log chart, then we will go to linear chart. So let's see what all is there in the stock. First of all, I have drawn a long-term support, which is right from the first day of the listing of the stock till the last. So it is a very formidable support, and it should not breach. So similarly, we have a very formidable resistance also, and both these resistance and support are forming a pattern which we can call as a wedge or a symmetrical triangle also.
Right, sir.
So what else there seem to be some other supports also. So this is another support which is visible on the chart. So we can notice that from this particular point, the chart has changed its journey. So it was coming downwards. Now it is either in a straight mode or it is likely to go up from here. So we'll have to show it in some other way that we will come to it subsequently. So now the stock has risen from this particular point to this particular point. Let's see how much percentage it was. It was almost 300%. The stock rose 300%, and thereafter it started its journey downwards. So how this downward journey happened? Let's see with the help of patterns. Because whenever the stock goes up, it forms pattern. Whenever the stock comes down, it forms pattern. So let's see how exactly this has happened. So this is the pattern the stock initially formed, and from there it gave a breakdown, and the target was exactly here where the stock took a support. Thereafter again it formed a pattern and again came down, and the target is exactly here. Though due to paucity of time, I am not showing the calculation of target, but the target is exactly coming here. Now here the journey is probably slightly changed, and it is forming a bullish pattern. See, uh, we can call it as a widening wedge, or Sharadji calls it as opening wedge. So both are the same things. So this is how the journey of the stock till now. We have mapped the entire journey of the stock for you. And now to see what is going to happen in future. This was the past that we have shown it to you, and the present what is there. So in order to determine what could be its future, so let's go to linear chart and see uh, how this stock is going to trade in future. So I will take you to the future linear chart now. Okay, this is okay. This was okay. Sorry. Now this is the log chart. Sorry, I had shown that was a linear chart. Now let's go to this particular chart. I will try to draw similar supports and resistances. Even on log chart, the support is same. Then again, it is forming a support zone on this particular green line. Thereafter, I have tried to see if there is any pattern that is emerging in this particular chart, which will take the stock upwards. So I have seen this is a inverted head and shoulder. Though it is not yet completed, it is forming an inverted head and shoulder. So if we assume that it will complete head and shoulder, then this is how this particular pattern will look. And if we measure the target, this is coming somewhere here around 1150. So that is a future probability, and it might take some time. So keeping in mind these patterns, supports and resistances, now we have to come to the trading idea. For that we need a channel. So I have drawn a channel based on the supports available. So this channel is coming like this. I have replicated it upwards. Now I have bifurcated it. But the chart has become slightly clumsy. So I will hide these supports and resistances. Okay, now the chart is very, very clear. From here, we will just see what is the trading idea that is available. From the current price, it has the first target of 20%. That is coming around 690.
Yeah, that was the resistance of the neckline of the
correct, Sharadji.
Yeah,
head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. Yes.
Pattern.
Correct. Yeah. You are very correct. Now the possibility of this stock going down seems very less because it has already touched the support.
Yes.
So from here, the second target could be the midpoint of the channel. And if somebody has more patience, it can exactly touch the target given by the head and shoulder.
Head and shoulder, yes.
So, yes. So now we have to look for a stop loss also, because there is a very little data available on this particular chart. So we have taken the stop loss which is 10% below. So now we will, for the benefit of the viewers, we will tell you that the stop loss is at 490, entry point is at 560, that is the CMP. Yes. First target is around 670, second target is around 980, and the third target, as I had shown with the help of the target of the pattern, that is 1150. So this was a small analysis on this particular stock, and the upside is quite far off. Whether it can touch the levels of 2000, which was the previous high.
Yes.
So if the stock goes up to that, if the stock goes up to its previous high, it will become 4 times from here. So it is,
That's
as it is, a potential multi-bagger.
yes.
So I feel we cannot define exactly what time it will take, but we can definitely say that this stock has the potential to become a multi-bagger. And probably that was the reason that the mutual fund house has also bought substantial stake in this particular stock. So Sharadji, I have finished my analysis, which was short and crisp. So
Yes.
would you like to add,
Yes, sir.
suggest
I would like to add one
anything?
thing before giving a disclosure that uh, we are showing you targets. These are long-term targets. So these targets, like stock will achieve this target, but not today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. It will take time. Uh, it will take a lot of patience. So please show patience if you take this trade. Okay, nothing is going to happen in coming 2-3 days. Okay, so because the targets are very huge, like 100% and 77%, so these are big targets. There will be small hurdles in the between, like in this journey. So that was it. And a small disclosure from us that we are not SEBI registered analysts. Kindly take advice of your financial advisor before taking any trade, and just like our video if and share and subscribe our channel with your loved ones, near and dear ones. And thank you and bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.